So the next and hopefully last storm just started. I just helped my neighbor dig out her front porch because she was snowed in. She gave me some nice root beers because she offered me beer, but I'm not a drinker. I'm a big kid, so I'll take the root beer. So this is her awning. I got a duck underneath. I made a path to the street for her and her doggy, but I told her it's just gonna get filled right back up right now. So if you need to take your doggy to the street, do it now because she has a little doggy, not a big doggy. So take it to the street, have him do its business because it's getting filled right back up right now. All right, so let's make our way back next door to my house. There's my truck. I dug her front door out more than my front door is dug out, but at least I have an awning around my door so snow doesn't come right up to the front door. Thank goodness. All right, let's try to make it up this snow mountain here and get to my front door. All right, let's do it. Hood. There's my car. Yes, I am standing about 3 feet above my truck on this snow mountain that the plow has conveniently provided to the front of my house, which I told him go ahead, just take all the snow out in front of my car, which he gladly did and put it right here in front of my house. I was like, dude, thank you so much, bro. But yes, go ahead and set as much snow as you need to in front of my house, clear out the street as much as you need to, bro, because I don't use all of this space here. So he kind of filled it up. As you can see, it's like a snow mountain over here. Anyway, let's get back inside, have one of these root beers and relax. All right, let's make my way down these steps here that I made for me with my footsteps. Hood, duck below my roof, my awning, and look at these snowballs, dude. They're like what's it called? Those ice creams that are in beads. You know what I'm talking about? Look at that. Like a beanbag chair that it got exploded. But they also look like dipping dots. That's what they are. They look like dipping dots, bro. Look at that. It's crazy. This snow is crazy, bro. Let me check on my vent over here because this thing is gonna get filled up real quick again. Look at this. Oh my God. That's my leg all the way down in about 3 feet of snow. Oh my God. And that's my other leg, my same leg in another hole of 3 feet of snow. All right. Jesus, peace. Look at, I gotta hurry up and turn my heater on to get that vent hot as heck so it doesn't fill up with snow. Go gadget heater. All right, let's go. All right. Fuck.